Hi, my name is Sherry, and I'm a fitness instructor with the Fairfax County Park Authority. Today I'm going to demonstrate an exercise that I love. It's called the tabletop. It's wonderful because it works the lower abdominal muscles. So what I'm going to do is lie on the mat to begin with. Two things I need to remember performing this exercise is to imprint my lower back into the mat, which tilts my pelvis just a little up towards the ceiling. And I'm also going to inhale to prepare for the exercise and then exhale as I execute it. So I'm taking my legs up to what is called tabletop. So my shins are roughly parallel to the floor. I'm going to take one leg at a time down, touching the floor and coming right back up slowly, and I'm not going to change the angle of my knee. It's going to stay roughly at a 90-degree angle. Okay, so I'm going to inhale. As I exhale, I'm taking my right leg first down towards the floor. I'm touching the floor and I'm coming right back up. Inhale, left leg now. I'm taking it down and up. Right, down. All the while I'm keeping my abdominal muscles nice and tight. Left leg I'm taking down and up. Right and left. Imprinting that back. I'm keeping it nice and tight. Right, up, and left. I'm going to perform just one more set. Right and left. Now I'm going to challenge myself a little bit by adding a head uplifted. So I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to put my fingers together behind my head to help support my neck. But I'm also going to utilize my neck muscles a little, and I'm going to use my head, my neck muscles to keep my head just a little bit lifted. I'm going to perform the same movements with my legs while my head is up. Also, I'm going to lift my chin just a little towards the ceiling. So I'm going to inhale, exhale, right goes down, taking it back up. Inhale, exhale, left and up. My lower back is still imprinted. Right. Inhale, exhale, left. And I'm going right again. I'm going to do just a few more reps. Down and up. Down, up, down, up. One more set. This will be my last set. And then I'm going to move on to a little more of a challenge. But I'm going to lie my head down. My hands are going to be down by the floor. It's going to be hard for me to maintain that lower back imprint, but it's important to support my lower back by imprinting. I'm going to take both legs together so my toes are pointed. Inhale, and I'm going to exhale. I'm taking both toes down to the mat. Once I touch the mat, I'm going to flex my feet and bring them right back up. Point. I'm going to inhale, taking an exhale down. Flex up, point, taking it down. Once I touch the floor, I'm flexing again. Point, inhale, down, imprinting that back. Exhale, up. I'm going to try two more. Inhale, exhale, down, flex up. Point, down, and I'm flexing up. And that's how you do the tabletop series. Thank you. Have a great day.